There will always be multiple workable solutions to the problems or pain points you identify in the discover phase. But which is the right solution? The one most likely to hit that sweet spot of maximizing both customer satisfaction and ROI for the business. This is where the validate phase comes in. And with the power of AI, product managers will be able to confidently decide what to build like never before. Traditionally, this process has proven time-consuming and unwieldy, tempting many product managers to unwisely skip or shorten it at the risk of building the wrong thing. This is because in the past, validation has involved setting up one-on-one interviews with customers, walking them through proposed solutions to the problem, and getting their feedback and reactions. From there, product managers have to find a way to analyze all this feedback together and pull out the themes in order to choose the right solution to pursue. More recently, product managers have begun factoring in validation data from other sources, including product usage data, in-app polls, surveys, and support ticket requests. But there is still the challenge of finding ways to quickly analyze and take action on what can be massive data sets. Similar to the discover phase, AI-powered tools can allow for quick analysis of data points across mediums and make data-driven recommendations based on the findings. Another large part of validation is testing things out in the product to see how they work before moving forward with the full build. Product managers often test prototypes with users to get their initial feedback before they actually build anything. And AI has the power to make building potential solutions and product prototypes faster and easier than ever before. For example, product managers can leverage generative AI by providing prompts informed by customer and other data to quickly provide a prototype that's ready to validate. This is because you can ask a large language model, often referred to as an LLM, to write you better code with less explicit instructions. AI will also enable product managers to test multiple prototypes simultaneously, reducing the time it takes to properly validate ideas and increasing confidence before engineers proceed to build. Which brings us to the next phase of the product management lifecycle, build.